Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. How does Plan B work? Plan B OneStep, often called Plan B, is an emergency contraceptive, EC. It is also called the morning after pill. /r/n/r/n Plan B contains a synthetic hormone called levonorgestrel, which can prevent ovulation, or the release of an egg. This is how Plan B works to prevent pregnancy. /r/n/r/n Emergency contraceptives like Plan B OneStep prevent pregnancy after birth control failure or unprotected sex. Generic forms of Plan B include My Way, Take Action, and Next Choice 1 Dose. /r/n/r/n Sullivan Getty Imagesrnrn This article looks at what the research says about how Plan B works. It also discusses some of the side effects you may experience when taking Plan B. /r/n/r/n Plan B works by preventing ovulation. It contains a larger dose of levonorgestrel, the synthetic hormone found in birth control pills. When you take this larger dose of levonorgestrel just after unprotected sex, it can prevent or delay ovulation. Plan B does not work after ovulation. /r/n/r/n Emergency contraception is safe and effective. Still, Plan B is controversial. Much of the debate is based on a misunderstanding about how Plan B works. /r/n/r/n Some people believe Plan B prevents a fertilized egg from implanting in the lining of the uterus. But research does not support this theory about how Plan B works, though. /r/n/r/n Studies have shown that Plan B does not decrease the pregnancy rate when taken after ovulation. This suggests it may not interfere with fertilization or implantation, just ovulation. /r/n/r/n Most research suggests that Plan B does not cause changes in the endometrium, or lining of the uterus. Because of this, researchers have concluded it cannot prevent implantation of a fertilized egg. /r/n/r/n The most common side effect of Plan B is a change in your period. Your period may come sooner or later than expected. You may also have heavier or lighter bleeding or spotting before your period. /r/n/r/n Other side effects of Plan B may include, /r/n/r/n Plan B is not meant to be used as your primary method of birth control. Though there don't seem to be any health risks or a reduction in effectiveness if you use Plan B frequently, it can cause unwanted side effects. This can include irregular or unpredictable periods. /r/n/r/n Plan B is also less effective than long-term birth control, so if you use it often, you should talk to your healthcare provider about other, more effective ways to prevent pregnancy. /r/n/r/n The FDA labeling for the Plan B emergency contraceptive says Plan B may work by preventing implantation of the fertilized egg. This has created controversy over its use. Research, however, shows that Plan B does not work this way. Instead, it works by preventing ovulation. /r/n/r/n Because it is less effective than other types of birth control, Plan B is not meant to be used as a primary form of birth control. /r/n/r/n It takes about 1.7 hours for the levonorgestrel in Plan B to reach peak levels in your blood. After this, it will delay ovulation for a few days. Plan B is most effective within 72 hours of unprotected sex. /r/n/r/n You can buy Plan B over the counter at many major retailers. It can also be found in pharmacies. You do not need a prescription, and you do not need to show ID to purchase Plan B. /r/n/r/n Plan B is sold in packs of 1 or 2. Name brand Plan B may cost between $40 and $100, depending on which pack you buy. You can also buy generic Plan B, sold under the names My Way, Option 2, etc., which may cost as little as $8 for one pill. /r/n/r/n If you haven't already ovulated, Plan B will work to prevent the release of an egg. If you take it after ovulation, it won't work. This is why healthcare providers recommend taking Plan B as soon as possible after unprotected sex. /r/n/r/n correction, June 16, 2023. This article was updated to reflect the FDA's updated stance that Plan B does not affect implantation and is, therefore, not an abortion drug. /r/n/r/n, rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.